subscribe to ALH Success Lines Wellness and Lifestyle channel. In today's cooking edition, I am going to make oatmeal pineapple cookies. So yes, I must admit, I started out with the intent to make oatmeal raisin cookies. But guess what? The good thing about cooking is you can use your creativity to make it exactly what you want. And so I had fresh pineapples and I added those to the menu instead of raisins. Now, of course, you can make it with raisins if you like, but this recipe is gluten-free, vegan, and very little sugar. So sit back, relax, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so. Thanks so much for watching.